Keep your team at the forefront by partnering with Skillable, the pioneer in virtual labs for cloud and technology skilling. Whether you want to introduce hands-on skilling to your learners or amplify your existing programs, Skillable's full-stack lab platform provides you with the tools that enable your learners to develop real skills in a real environment. In the demo, we will demonstrate a coding challenge in Skillable's code editor platform. This challenge tests the lab taker's ability to write code by asking them to code an algorithm for leap years. Lab users can choose from a variety of coding languages provided by the lab developer. In the lab instructions, you can lay out the algorithm the coders will need to use to accomplish the task. Hints can be included, and there is a Run Code button which allows the lab taker to test their work by running their code. Using instructions, you can also provide solutions to the challenge. The lab taker can copy and paste the solution code into the code editor and run it. Then they will see that the Code Lab's interface will show the outputs of the test conditions, as well as any errors. We can see in this case the lab was done correctly. Labs in the code editor are scorable for review after the lab is completed. Once I am satisfied with my results, the lab is complete. Then, with appropriate permissions, a lab developer can see the results of the lab scoring and the details of the lab instances. See why customers around the world choose Skillable as their partner for their skilling programs.